In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find membership barcode in Uniqlo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your Uniqlo membership barcode so you can scan it in stores for points, promos, and a faster checkout. Start by heading to the official Uniqlo website in your browser or open the Uniqlo app if you have it installed. Make sure you're on the home page. You should see the usual categories like women, men, and new arrivals. If the site opens for your local region, that's perfect. Your membership is tied to the region you use. From the home page, look for the profile icon. On mobile, this is typically at the bottom of the screen and looks like a small person silhouette. On desktop, you may see an account or profile symbol near the top right. Go ahead and select that profile icon to open your account area. If you're prompted to sign in, log into your existing Uniqlo account. You don't need to change any settings here. Just access your account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll be inside your profile or account dashboard. Here, on desktop, you'll notice a left-hand side panel or menu. Click on Profile in that side panel to open your main account details. On mobile, you should already be on the Profile page, or you may see a Profile or Member tab. Tap that to continue. You're in the right place if you can see your basic account information. Now you'll see your membership section, which includes your membership barcode. This is your scannable code, often displayed with your member ID beneath it. If you're on mobile, the barcode usually appears prominently. On desktop, it will be within the profile details page. To make it easy for store staff to scan, increase your screen brightness and keep the barcode fully visible without any pop-ups covering it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the barcode, confirm you're signed into the correct regional site or app version. Refresh the page or switch between mobile and desktop if needed. You can also take a clear screenshot of your barcode so you have it handy even if your connection is spotty. Many devices let you add barcodes to a wallet app. If you prefer that, check your device options. That's all you need. Open Uniqlo, go to your profile, select profile from the left panel if you're on desktop, and your membership barcode will be right there, ready to scan. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother checkout with your Uniqlo membership.